What up, fam? Chi Chi here. Welcome back. Spring is sprung, so your girl could not wait to get lighter hair, and of course the faux locks should popping off. But anyway, it's not about my hair, even though it should be. But we have a little unboxing from Laurent. I'm very logical when it comes to my purchases. So the fact that I impulse purchases, okay, let me tell you the whole story. I had a doctor's appointment and my doctor's office is about 10 minutes away from Short Hills Mall. So I was like, you know what? After my appointment, your girl's going to go to the mall, see what's going on. It was good news, but bad news, but you know, it is what it is. So kind of was feeling down. So that probably helped with my impulse purchase, because I originally was only going to do like a shopping vlog. And we'll see if I can put that video together, but I think towards the mid or the ending of it, I was just over it, and then it was closing and girl, it was a whole thing. But I went into Saint Laurent and I had the best time. Normally I don't start with story times because I hate when people start with story times and just get to the unboxing, but listen, this needs to be at the top of the video. So if y'all ever saw Black Lady Sketch Show, the one scene in particular where they have Black Lady Courtroom, I had a moment kind of like that because every associate was black, down to the security guard. And I walked in, I was like, what in the black baby Jesus is going on here? And yo, I just had the best time. I needed to buy something at that point because I was like, there's no way I see all of this black beauty in front of me and I just walk out of here with nothing. Now, I was looking at some of the new bags and some of the bags that I've always had on my wish list, but the sales associate who was helping me, she had this on and I was like, I'm sorry, I'm so distracted by what you got on. I need to know like the information on that. So we ended up with this. It came wrapped up like this. Here's the dust bag, and I got a belt. Listen, she wore this and I kept looking at her belt and I was like, yo, your belt is so like understated. And I just was in love. I was like, listen, I need the details of your belt. Okay. So luckily they did have it in stock. I think this might have been the last one. And I was like, yeah, I need this one. I tried it on and I fell in love with it. So she's a little bit of a tumbly belt. It was the simplicity of this logo not being like overly sized. I just loved it. And this part is actually, I guess, the belt loop. And that's what I really liked about it. But you know, you have your Saint Laurent Paris stamped right in the back of it. I think on the back of the belt, we have the style number and it's made in Italy. This belt feels phenomenal. It's very, very pliable. It feels really, really nice and light. I really wanted this in a smooth leather, but they didn't have it and she didn't know if they were ever going to restock it even when she looked on the website. So I got the size 110 because you know your girls, she's a little round. Originally gave me like a 95 and I was like, I don't think this will fit. I probably could have gotten away with a 105, but I liked how the 110 was on me and I just ended up going for that. The style number and all that stuff will be in the description box because I really don't know the name of this belt. So yeah, but it was a pretty penny. It was $525. Okay, all right. So listen, I was having a very bad day. I had bad news at the doctor. So listen, I'm okay, but emotionally I'm not okay. I honestly want a logo belt from all the major houses. That's my personal goal. When I saw this, I was just like, yeah, just wrap it up. Like, this was such an impulse purchase. I probably would not have purchased this had I been of sound mind. But sometimes you just gotta do what your heart wants, okay? Throw that brain of yours to the side. And so that's what I did, and I have no regrets about it, because this belt, when it's on, it looks so good. So this is how the belt is looking on a curvier figure. For reference, I am wearing torrid jeans in a size 18, and baby, doesn't this look so understated and cool and chill? I love it. It's a thinner belt than my Gucci Marmont belt, and I'm here for it. I absolutely love it. Now, I know as a plus size woman, it's hard to find luxury logo belts in general. So the fact that this did come in a 110, I was just happy with. I'm not sure how high it goes up, but right now I'm digging this a lot. It is tumbled leather, which I'm okay with. It does look better with jeans with the tumbled leather. When I originally tried it, I did have slacks on, and it still actually looked good. I am curious to see how this would look belted around a coat or anything, because honestly, that was kind of like my main concern with the Gucci Marmont. I just didn't like the look of the textured leather, but I think this one is a little bit less tumbled. Probably not, but it's okay. We're gonna make it work. This belt has 5 settings, so I am on the 2nd setting, and as your girl loses a little bit of weight, trying to get into that 14-16 category, I have room to cinch it in just a little bit more. But right now, she's sitting pretty. I know you're supposed to actually be in that middle hole. It's fine. We're just one off. I'm okay with that. But yeah, I think this belt is so good. I love the thickness of it. I love how understated the logo is. All around, it's a 10. And honestly, I would not mind this in silver. That's something else to think about, but it looks phenomenal on. When you do have the option as a plus size person to actually partake in a belt, you must buy it. You don't have to buy it, but I personally like having a belt. I like wearing a belt, and the fact that I am plus size and they have a belt, it's nice. So I'm very happy with my purchase. Very impulse, but I'm here for it. Sometimes you just gotta let it go, let it flow. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out some of my other videos, and I will catch you in the next one.